Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. Here is a 12-inch MDF base. I found the center, drew circles, created grids. The angle is marked at 45 degrees, this is 90 and this is 135. Let's get started with dotting, and this is going to be a metallic dot mandala with mirror work. I would like to start by placing a mirror in the center, so let me place the Fevicol first. I would like to place this circular mirror. I'm giving a gentle press so that the mirror gets stuck to the board firmly. I'm going to place some dots in light violet color. Now I'll place some dots in golden yellow. Now I'll keep some dots in spring green. Now I'll keep tiny dots in golden yellow. Now I'll keep tiny dots in spring green. Now I'll keep some violet dots. Now I'll keep tiny dots in violet. Now I'll place some mirrors. So first Fevicol. Now I'm going to place these mirrors here. Now I'll keep some violet dots. Now I'll walk the dots in violet. Now I'll keep two side swipes in golden yellow. I'm going to keep a plumpy dot here and then make it to a swipe in spring green. Now I'll make these dots into swipes. I'll place Fevicol to place mirrors later. Let me place the mirrors now. Now I'll place some dots in violet. I'll work the dots in violet. I'll keep some yellow dots now. Now I'll work the dots in golden yellow. Now I'll keep spring green dots. Now I'll work the dots in spring green. Now I'll keep some dots in violet. Now I'll work the dots in violet. Now I'll keep straight swipes in violet. Now I'll keep side swipes in green. Now I'll keep 2 more side swipes in yellow. I'll place some mirrors now. So I'll place Fevicol first. Now I'll place this triangular mirrors here. I'm sure this dot mandala came out really well. Thank you for watching this video.